Our topic is going to be on anti-malware and antiviruses. So computer malware can be hidden in links, pop-up files, downloaded files, and other advertisements. The most common malware include computer viruses, computer worms, and trojans. So a computer virus attaches itself to a program or file, enabling it to spread from one computer to another, leaving infections as it travels. And like a human virus, a computer virus can range in severity. Some may cause only mild annoying effects, while others can damage your hardware, software files, and other files. So almost all viruses are attached to an executable file, which means the virus may exist on your computer, but it actually cannot infect your computer unless you run or open the malicious program. So it's important to note that a virus cannot be spread without a human action, such as running an infected program. Now, computer worm is a worm similar to a virus by design and is considered to be a subclass of a virus. So worms spread from computer to computer, but unlike a virus, it has the capability to travel without any human action. This this is the biggest danger with a worm because its capability to replicate itself from your system. So rather your computer sending out a single worm, it could send out hundreds or even thousands of copies of itself, creating a huge devastating effect. We are going to perform a smart scan, which can technically be called a quick scan. A smart scan doesn't scan the whole drive, instead, it targets areas in the register that viruses tend to infect. So now we are going to begin the smart scan. So there's multiple scans. As we mentioned, smart scan, scan for viruses, scan for browser add-ons, and we're going to do smart scan. So right now, an antivirus scanner runs in the random access memory. The random access memory is many times faster than your hard drive, allowing the scanner to quickly scan your drive for viruses or potential threats. Some antivirus software are equipped with extra plugins that can scan for outdated software and vulnerabilities in Windows. So right now, there's no viruses in the computers, but we could see that there's outdated software and bad reputations for browser add-ons.
The malware security market offers two types of products, antivirus and anti-malware. What is the difference? Antivirus usually deals with the older, more established threats such as Trojans, viruses, and worms. Antivirus protects users from lingering, predictable, yet still dangerous malware. The software will scan your hard drive for any known or potential viruses stored in its virus dictionary in the cloud. In contrast, anti-malware protects users from the latest, current in the wild, and even more dangerous threats. Anti-malware typically focus on newer stuff, such as polymorphic malware and malware delivered by zero-day exploits. In addition, anti-malware it updates faster than antivirus, meaning that it is the best protection against new malware you might encounter while surfing the net. Since antivirus and anti-malware target different malware, how do you know which one to choose from? Well, the answer is both. Though it's true that running multiple security software simultaneously can affect the performance, one can prevent this from happening by running an active antivirus scanner and, on the side, an on-demand anti-malware scanner that runs periodically. Word of caution: some malware disguise themselves as security software that automatically scan your drive and will display fraudulent data, persuading you to pay for a fake service to clean your system. Malware are malicious code that target your credentials and data. It is always wise to periodically look through your task manager process for abnormal activity. All right, now we're looking at the best anti-malware software of the year. We got Norton, McAfee, Bitdefender, AVG, Total AV, Malwarebytes, Casper Sky, Trend Micro, BullGuard, and Panda. One of my favorite anti-malware software is Malwarebytes. What we're gonna do is scan right now. All right, first we're gonna check for updates. Updates is like checking for the latest trends to further protect yourself from malware. And next, we're gonna do a pre-scan operation, which is gonna scan for its destination. Next is gonna scan the memory, which is the drive. Afterwards, is gonna scan up the start of files. And let me tell you, you do not want to have your startup files infected with malware because if you do, the second you press that power button and boot into your OS, that malware will be running in the background. Now, depending on the severity of the malware, your computer can become a brick. Or in other words, you will be facing a blue screen of death, which you do not want to ever see. To fix this, you will need to boot into safe mode and run your security software from there. All right, after scanning the starter file, it's going to scan the register. The register is part of a programming glossary. In a computer, register is one of the small set of data holding places that are part of a computer processor. A register may hold a computer instruction, a storage address, or any kind of data. Back in the days when security software wasn't free and cost a fortune, and when computers were infected left and right, if you got your register infected with malware, damn man, good luck getting it removed. All right, next it's going to scan the file system and then it's going to do a heuristic analysis. Afterwards, you will have the option to quarantine threats if you have threats or any potential threats and delete them from your system. So now that you know how to protect yourself from malware, here are some more tips on how to prevent yourself from contracting those nasty, creepy crawlies. Keep your drivers up to date. Don't click on unfamiliar links. Back up your computer and use firewall. Install some security software. Yeah, and that'll be it for today.